Kia Picanto. This car had a transmission issue P0748 pressure control solenoid BFS electrical fault, and I repair a ECM because this is engine computer fault. And now car is okay. You can see here automatic transmission, there is no fault. And before, when I drive car, if I put reverse, car is shaking, jerking too much. Now here you can see smooth shifting and everything is perfect. So in this video I will show you whole process how you can repair this ECM, how you can repair this transmission issue. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Kia Picanto. This car had a transmission issue. I will show you first fault code. See, I check with my diagnosis tool and fault is P0748 pressure control solenoid valve VFS electrical fault. This is the problem, and here you can see when I put reverse, see car jerking like this, too much jerking, and sound came in transmission. Okay, so when I check with transmission, this is the fault code. Okay, and when you check live data, see, I go with live data. Next gear shifting came 3, but this is wrong. When you put drive mode, next gear position came 1. So I will show you now in this car have this problem, next gear shifting mode 3. So when I drive car like not proper shifting, third gear stuck problem. Okay, I will show you. Here you can see next gear position 3, but here it was park mode, and if I put D, next gear position came 1. Here you can see third gear stuck, next position gear 3. So in this video I will show you how you can repair this problem, how you can solve this issue. So this is not transmission problem, this is ECM problem. So here you can see I already remove engine ECM. So what is the problem actually? Usually those capacitor get damaged and release a type of liquid that affect engine ECM. That's why this shifting problem came. Okay, so what you have to do first, you have to replace same capacitor. Here you can see 35 and 100 UF, and I have same capacitor. So one by one remove all those capacitor. After removing all capacitor, the parts below the capacitor must be cleaned properly. Okay, and the SMG resistor has been damaged by the liquid leaking from capacitor. All those SMD and resistor must be cleaned very carefully. Okay, here you can see I already replaced 3 capacitor, all capacitor from in this ECM 35 and 100 UF, same capacitor I replaced. I already replaced capacitor 35 100 UF. Okay, and clean very carefully SMD and resistor, everything. Now I will show you fix ECM in the car, transmission issue. solve or not. Okay, now you can see here I already fixed it ECM and then fix battery to computer data. Here is the car. Full scan, check if transmission fault on. See, now automatic transmission, there is no fault, perfect. Before inside this transmission, when I check with diagnosis tool, there is a fault. Now it's perfect, and when I put reverse, car no jerking. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.